The 951 SXC delivers a change in style and look for the basic soldering iron, but retains all the benefits and functionality of earlier versions. The modern round shape with no lower casing provides a smaller footprint, making the station lightweight, portable and easy to move between workbenches. The 95-watt heater delivers fast, efficient soldering, ideal for lead-free. There is an attractive light rim at the port of the solder pencil, and this indicates when the tool is on. A smaller modern push button power switch makes it so much easier for the operator. The compact removable sponge tray or storage unit for tips and other small accessories. There is a smaller solder pencil which is not only lightweight and ergonomically friendly, but allows for quick and easy tip change. External calibration makes it easy and reduces downtime. The 951 SXC ticks all the boxes. It's reliable, easy to use, easy to maintain, ergonomically friendly and efficient.